So yep, my brother got me a helmet for Christmas. So this will be used many times on track with drift cars and track cars, just going in passenger seats. And also I will be getting the Mini and the Civic ready for the track because I want to use them. So I will be upgrading the Mini's brakes and we will get the cars out and use them to their full potential. In today's video, what's up everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new, smash that subscribe button. If you like what you see, shitty cars getting done up nice. So yeah, welcome back to the channel. Hello to everyone that is subscribed to the channel. In today's video we are heading out to Meath for a new car. Let's see if you can guess in the comments what said car. Don't mind me, I'm just reversing out of the garden. Let's see in the comments if you can guess what said car is from the thumbnail. So yeah, just gonna head over, grab Aaron and fly out to Meath and get the new project car. I love the way it says Volvo and then warning beside it. Coffee time. Cup of cans. Let's go. That green is tacky. Parts. Lovely oak.
I definitely have to get a different set of wheels there, obviously. Fucking no more money.
Spoiler gone. Exhaust sounds good though. Scorpio. It's a good exhaust. Scorpio exhaust on it. Give her a bit of a rev.
Need my new backlight.
Yeah, it's rolling a bit of shite. Just needs a good L drive. Yeah.
Here, come here, it's been lined up for 4 years, so it's 4
yeah.
Might have to put that in it. And you can smell the fuel, so it's
Yeah.
leaking somewhere, yeah.
It's over fueling as well, you can smell it out of the exhaust now, so. Ah, yeah. Sounds like the Civic every morning I start it. Be alright if we knew how to get into the car. I can't get into you. How do you open that thing? This bad boy heading on the truck back to Aaron's now in a few minutes. We'll get some daylight photos of it. And yeah, it just has a bit of rust in the back pockets either side and either side of the floor. Not bad at all, but we'll get everything out of it when we get back to the garden and have a look. LGTO sitting in the garage. Cat wheels. 22. Is it white or silver? It's just manky, is it? State the wheels. Bishy. Manual as well. Yeah. Nice. Sure, look at a big gauge and a cool little fiecki. Good track car. What the? That's the way it's just put in, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's deadly.
Running off the course of the shop.
Yep, straight. Straight, yeah, you're good.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay back, stay mad, shit on my shoulder 'cause they treat me like an outcast.
Ouch.
I gotta take that, stay back, I'm swinging on till it hits like a long cast. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna lay that soft fact, give me one shot and I'll never get it thrown back. Sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's name, cut a shot.
Just hold it there, he's gonna drag it right.
They thought this. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame. Life gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap.
Movable.
God wants you better.
Grand jobby. That'll be fine, look.
Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
This is well, it's already gone, wasn't it?
Yeah, that'll be fine. No brakes, automatic. Be grand.
When you've no brakes and no seat.
Be grand. So that's it on the truck, on the way to the house, and then tomorrow we're going to take off these bad boys and check out for the rust, because there is rust behind there that will be getting fixed. That's all it needs, and the pockets in here somewhere, and then spray the car and drive it. Yeah, buddy. pretty dark out now, but we barely made home in Aaron's Volvo. It was really bad. It's 5-cylinder 2.5 diesel turbo running on 4 cylinders. Absolute weapon. But yeah, 300 is coming around the corner of the truck now. Just gonna get it into the garden and I'll update you tomorrow. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to keep up to date with their build. Peace. Yup. 7 up. Yeah, that's it. To the garden where it's gonna sit for about 6 months. 6 months in this dry patch where the other one was sitting. So get it down off the truck. It runs and drives. A little bit rusty. Yep. Another one. Another one. He has loads around. Yeah, you're good. Fully locked. Full lock. Go on. Full lock. When you're good. That'll do, you can push it now. That'll do it. That's it now. It can come back more, but he's just going to block up the whole place.